My name is The Real Zeno, and I'm here with Gila Reyes. Oh, this is Gila Reyes.
Yeah, what's up?
Say hi.
Hi everyone, how are you doing?
Okay, awesome. So Gila Reyes and I have 2 singles called The Tattooed Heart and 1 Second.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the Tattooed Heart's gonna be out in May, so you guys should stay tuned. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, The Real Zeno throughout, and then Gila Reyes.
And then Gilarez at Gilarez on Twitter, and then on Facebook it's at Real Gilarez, and on Instagram it's also at Gilarez. And then the single is coming out in May. Right now we having gigs. 20th April we're hitting Swaziland, me featuring Real Zeno. And then I don't know how she feels about that. Can you tell them how you feel about that?
I feel awesome about it. I feel like it's a great opportunity for us, for people like outside the country to like actually, you know, hear from us and bring out that flavor.
Shout out to Southwest, the glitch, everything is proper. So guys, look out for us. Our single is gonna come out, and it was just on YFM a couple of weeks ago, and it did well. And then we're gonna put it on the charts just after we release.
Stay tuned. You'll get more info on the glitch. Come through. Kospotong, the glitch, hosted by Southwest Media College. It's happening every Friday. So yeah.
we're back. Like we've had awards and everything, but this is the guy who's behind everything. So he's going to tell us like, how does he feel since his students have won awards, and as the sound engineer and every slash producer slash everything, he'll tell us like everything, guys. So let's give it to him.
Okay. Hi everybody. I've been doing good right there. I feel so great and so honored to be part of this, actually. And then she's one of my students, by the way. And I'm so proud of her, what she's doing right now. She's accomplishing big things. And then right now, what's happening, I'm so tired because we've been busy during the course of the day. It's just around 11. We've been doing sound checkup and then ensuring that the college is going good. I'm the main engineer behind the thing, behind the clip.
Guys, so now that you're the producer and everything, so we have artists out there. If they want you, where can they find you?
Yeah. Okay, the artists, how can they find me? Because at the moment, even my emails are flooding with a lot of requests. Actually, I'm Charles Larez@gmail.com. If you want to find me through emails, if you want to email a demo. And then on Facebook, I'm Charles Gilarez. On Twitter, I'm @Gilarez. On Instagram, I'm @Gilarez. And then I have this other account with my band, with the rails, it's called @Gilarez in the band. So you must follow me, follow through everything. Because I'm pushing the music, I'm pushing the gigs. Right now, I'm going to be performing later. It's going to be nice. We're at Ospotong right now, we're chilling. The vibe is awesome. Just can hear in the background. I'm around 28, I'm going to Swaziland. It's my first time getting a gig that's taking me out the border, and I feel so great and honored, to be part of that.
You've heard it, guys, so please support. Local is Leke, as you all know. So support here. We're still on the after party, guys. Don't go nowhere.
Yeah.
The Glitch.